Hello, I'm John Kryler. Welcome to This Week in the Markets. As we wait the May 1st Federal Reserve decision and the subsequent press conference by Chair Powell, all eyes were focused on corporate earnings this week, and corporate earnings, for the most part, are coming very, very nicely. Industrials, aerospace defense, infrastructure plays, and basic materials all have shown increasing and improving profit margins. Some of this is from an improving revenue line. There's also part of it is coming from cost cuts. It's as such that the 2024 forecast for these companies in these sectors have actually increased, a welcome sign and reflection of a resilient, strong U.S. economy relative to other economies throughout the world. The bond market right now is waiting on the Federal Reserve, and it has continued its bear steepener with the long end, the 10-year at 4.65%, rising more rapidly than the shorter end, the 2-year, which though is approaching 5%. An inversion nonetheless. Stock market indexes also pull back in the 5% range, depending on the index, waiting on the Federal Reserve due to the uncertainty of the rate strategy of the Federal Reserve, and now looking for clues for the second half of 2024, as the markets at this point have discounted any rate cuts in the first half of 2024. One thing I'm looking at, again, is the strengthening U.S. dollar. I'll talk more about this in detail relative to other global currencies in the Macro Minute. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for all our proprietary content, the Macro Minute, Planning Perspectives, the Improving Your Financial IQ, as well as This Week in the Markets. It'd be interesting to see if Japan's finance ministry look to intervene in global currency markets to strengthen the Japanese yen relative to the US dollar. There's a push-pull both in Japan and the US as it relates to the strengthening US dollar versus a weakening Japanese yen. The price of imports, the cost to exports, as well as inflation for both countries are at stake here. It will be interesting to see if something is done in concert with the Federal Reserve, or if Japan, its finance ministry, and its Bank of Japan, its central bank, go it alone. I'm John Kryler. This was This Week in the Markets. Have a great week.